In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide by half in Google Sheets. As you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have two numbers in A1 and A2. This is 10 and 20. We're going to use these numbers for demonstration of how to divide this by half. So to do this, on any empty cell, simply input the following equation. Click equal sign on your keyboard, then type the cell where the number that you would like to divide to is located. Since we're going to divide 10, this is cell A1. Input A1 in here. Then click the slash sign which symbolizes division. In here, since we're going to divide this by half, simply input 0.5, then click enter. As you can see, it has now successfully divided 10 by 0.5, which is equals to 20. If you want to divide this in half, simply replace 0.5 by 2, then click equal. As you can see, it successfully divided 10 into 2. To demonstrate this in 20, simply input equal sign again, then click A2 since 20 is located to cell A2. Click the slash symbol which is representing division, then type 0.5, and as you can see, it has now successfully divided 20 in 0.5. To divide this by 2, replace 0.5 by 2, then click enter, and now you have successfully divided this number. And that's about it. That's how to divide by half in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.